On August 15, all roads in Dalmatia lead to Sinj. Some start this pilgrimage the night before, some even walk it barefoot. When they arrive to the dawn mass, they all experience the same elation. On this day, more than 150,000 people will say a prayer, make a pledge, or give thanks to the Miraculous Madonna of Sinj. Whatever miracle they experience today won't be the first one made by Our Lady of Sinj, because the bond between her and Sinj town is more than 300 years old, and it began with two powerful miracles. The first one happened in 1687, when the painting of the Madonna journeyed from Rame in Bosnia to Sinj. It was rescued from the Ottoman plunders in a mission that is still remembered today. Where the painting traveled, the pilgrimage emerged. Then in 1715, Sinj fell under the Turkish siege. For days, 700 local soldiers fought off 60,000 Turks. The final victory would take a miracle. And so it did, when the Madonna of Sinj appeared in white, walking on the old town walls. By the following morning of August 15, the enemy soldiers were gone. Sinj was saved on the day of the Assumption of Mary, freed, but not by defeating or killing the enemy. It is this spirit of mercy and gratitude that draws pilgrims to Sinj every year. People come immersed in their thoughts, wishes and pledges. Millions of prayers are spoken today, each one different, unique. But as the pilgrims join the procession through the streets of Sinj, they are all embraced by the same reverence. If you can hear mačkule going off from the old town, you know you're part of the celebration. You might not understand what each cannon fire means, but ask any Sinj local and they'll gladly translate this special code language for you. The things that Our Lady of Sinj has done for her town are miraculous, but this special bond is a two-way street. Art created in her image carries the touch of true wonder too. Such is the crown on her head, made only a year after the siege and with the soldiers' donations of gold. Alka Night Tournament is a fusion of sport and art performance, but also a pledge to the Madonna. This is why Alkari are given the honor to carry the painting in the procession. The door of the Church of the Miraculous Madonna of Sinj is a work of art too. Brass relief by Stipe Sikirica portrays the Sinj siege to the last detail, but just as impressive is the polished head of the Madonna that believers created by touching it during prayer. It doesn't take a miracle to see the Madonna of Sinj anymore. She is a striking statue perched on the old town walls. Any day of the year, walk up to her and your view of Sinj town will be celestial.